Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Hi, welcome back, and if you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. This video is going to be a little bit different from my normal cleaning videos because I thought I would take you behind the scenes and show you how I film, what is involved, and everything that I do while I'm in the process of filming a cleaning video. The first thing I'm going to do is get out all of my camera equipment. I keep my batteries charged all the time. So I'm just going to go grab a battery, install it in the camera, attach the camera to the tripod, put the SD card in, and just get everything set up and ready to film. I'm actually using two cameras to film today. One, the actual camera that I film with, which is what you see me setting up here, and then my cell phone, which I'm using to film what I'm doing. So in the little window that you see pop up down here, that's my cell phone, which I'm using to show you what I'm filming, and then what you see on the big screen is what you would normally see in a cleaning video recorded from my camera.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next.
Anytime I move the camera to a new location, I want to make sure that whatever I had in my hand, I put down so that I can pick it up exactly in the same spot as it was before the transition. So I'm taking my camera and I'm moving it to the new location, so now you're going to see the view from me standing directly in front. But when I do the transition, it'll look like I had it in my hand the whole time, transition happens, and then I put it down like this. Now, I'm not perfect at the transition part, but it's pretty cool anyway.
We don't need a map. I'll let you know when we
Now I'm getting ready to put these clothes in my closet, so I pick them up, walk away, and then I have to come back, put them down, move the camera so that you can see me walk into the closet, and then I come back and pick them up exactly as they were and walk into the closet. Another transition.
fly, make love or fight, this or that. This or that. Evenings on the train or catch a morning flight. Enjoying dinner until midnight, or in bed by night. This or we can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. So just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all. This or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight. This or that.
I don't normally record my videos with my cell phone. You can see it in the background up on the little box there on top of my dresser. I'm just using my cell phone to record me moving my actual camera around so that I can include that in these little clips. Otherwise, I can't use my camera to film myself moving my camera. So that's why you see a second camera in the background.
Another season we leave behind.
I've already moved my cell phone into the other room so that you could see me move my camera into the other room. This is so when I walk out of one room into another, that's another seamless transition. And then of course you want to make sure all the lights are on to make sure you have the best lighting possible. I also have daylight bulbs in every single one of my light fixtures except for my bedroom ceiling fan. So that's why everything in my bedroom always looks like a little more yellow than everything in my house. I don't know why I don't replace those bulbs. Probably because it's my bedroom and it's super bright, but every single other fixture in my house has daylight bulbs. One of the biggest struggles I have with recording these videos are my dogs getting in the way. They're always in the same room, they're always following me around, and of course they have no awareness that there's a camera recording, so they'll sit in front of it, they'll walk up to it, they'll smell it. Sometimes I leave those clips in there if it's something cute, but mostly it's just annoying. So as you can see right here, I'm going to edit the dog out and it looks like she disappears. I'm going to carry these toys into the other room, but I can't just carry them into the other room because I have to move the camera in order for you to see me carry them into the other room. So I'm going to put everything down, I'm going to move the camera into the other room so that when I walk in there, it looks like it was one smooth transition and I just carried it in there. See? Okay, let's go into the kitchen now. I'm going to carry you along with me. Now before I start cleaning or before I walk into the kitchen, I have to set the camera up, make sure that you can see me walk into the kitchen, walk out of the room, and then walk back in. And then of course I edit all of that part out so that you only see me walk in. Now remember, the picture-in-picture part is what I'm recording from my cell phone, so what you're seeing on the actual big screen part is what I'm recording from my camera, which is what I would normally use as my cleaning video. Normally when I walk out of the room, I would edit that part where I would just cut and then cut to the part where I walk right back in, so there's not a lot of extra blank space, but I wanted to leave that in here just to show you a lot of the things that actually get cut out are things that happen behind the scenes, and then it looks like I'm just walking right back into the room with the vacuum, but really I went and put the heater away, I got my vacuum, I put the part on the vacuum, walk back into the room, I do all of that, and then what you would actually see is me just walking back into the room with the vacuum. And then of course the 3 dogs that were sitting there when I walked out are probably not still sitting in the exact same spot when I walk back in. So I always try to make them move when I'm doing a transition, or when I know that I'm going to be doing a transition or I'm going to be cutting and editing, so that it doesn't look like they just disappear from the middle of the floor. Although sometimes it's unavoidable.
We can go out, you can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry,
you know, my 2 gray dogs kind of blend in with my house because I have like gray floors, gray walls, gray couch, gray tones and everything in my entire house. So I don't notice the dog hair from my 2 gray dogs as much as I notice the white hair from this white dog. Oh, it's so frustrating. I have white dog hair on everything. Now, I probably have gray dog hair on everything too, but I can't see that.
Take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face.
I put the vacuum down in this exact spot so that I can move the camera to a new spot, and then when I pick it up and continue vacuuming, it looks like a smooth transition, like the camera just cut from one camera angle to another, as if I'm recording with 10 different cameras.
I'm
Yes, my floors are filthy. As you can see here, that's mud from 3 dogs traipsing in and out all day long. But all I'm doing today is vacuuming, no mopping.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight.
I'm going to move the camera again so that you can see me wash these couple of dishes here in the sink. And then when I take these cans out to the garage, I walk out into the garage and it looks like I immediately walk back in because I cut the part out where there's a long pause where I take them out there, put them away, and come back in. I just edit that part out, so it's a quick transition for you guys.
Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Now I'm finished cleaning for the day, so I'm going to take everything apart, recharge my batteries, upload all of the videos I created to iMovie, and start editing.
What you feel, you're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back,
Honestly, the editing part is a lot more time consuming than the actual cleaning, although it does take twice as long to do all the cleaning because I have to stop what I'm doing, move the camera, and then restart everything again. But the editing is also my favorite part. What you see me editing here is last week's video.
breathless. Like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Thanks so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me today. I really appreciate you clicking on my video and watching all the way into the end. And I hope you like this little take on behind the scenes and what it takes to film a cleaning video. And if you like it, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.